Hi! In front of me is Honor 7X, and today I would like to show you how you can connect this Honor through Bluetooth. First of all, you need to access settings, then choose Bluetooth and click on the switcher. Wait for available devices to show up and tap on the one that you wish to connect to. After that, wait for this pop-up to show up and select pair in it. Then wait for this device to accept your connection request. And as you can see, my devices were successfully connected. You can always disconnect them though by clicking on this little icon with E on it, choosing unpair, and now it's gone. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!